The Jaybird Report, your #1 source for RC pulling action in the Southwest. Covering action with the Southwestern RC Truck and Tractor Pulling Association. And now, your host, Jason Jaybird Grout.
Welcome to the Jaybird Report. Next weekend, the Southwestern RC Truck and Tractor Pulling Association is proud to bring you the Lone Star RC Pulling Championships in Floresville, Texas. This is the second year of the event, and Southwestern President Jason Riddle says the action is going to be very tight in every class. It is going to be fun. Great to meet some new guys and see old friends. Let's take a look at some of the action from last year.
Oh, good run. Look out. Whoa.
Punch it, turn. Stay in it.
Hit the camera!
That was some great action. Can't wait to see what the 2012 championships will bring. The host of the Texas Championships, E.T. Huey, says this should be one of the best RC truck and tractor pulls in recent memory. Lone Star has a lot of new drivers such as Travis Meyer with the super stock tractor Big Buck and Will Watson with his two-wheel drive Supermod truck Homebrew. Plus this year's favorite in the modified tractor class, Farmer's Daughter, piloted by Tony, and our returning two-wheel Pro Mod champion, Beer Money, piloted by the Huey brothers. The dates for this year's championships are April 14th and 15th in Floresville, Texas. Contact ET at thehueys@gmail.com. Come out, be a part of the smoking action going down. This is Jaybird signing off with a look at last year's championships. See you in Texas.